So I just wanted to share something really quick. I got a second gen Dodge Ram with a 5.9 Cummins with a manual transmission. This truck was not starting or cranking. The batteries are new. I replaced the starter and still the same thing. So this is something I didn't check at first. This is the clutch pedal sensor. And you see that crack? That was the issue the whole time. I cut the wires and I hardwire them, and now the truck starts no issues. So I just highly recommend, before replacing a bunch of expensive parts, check that sensor first to see if it's good.